Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the freezer light switch on your GE refrigerator. If you need a new light switch for your GE refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Since we will be working on the refrigerator's electrical components, disconnect power to the refrigerator. Start by opening the freezer door. Then pull the upper drawer forward and tilt it up and out. Remove the lower drawer by pushing it back slightly, then tilt the front up and out. Using a flathead screwdriver, depress the locking tabs on the underside of the switch. Then, gently pull the switch away from the freezer housing, being careful as it is still connected by wires. Disconnect the electrical connectors, making note of their orientation. If you need to purchase a new freezer light switch, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, connect the electrical connectors to the light switch. Then, align the switch so that the locking tab is on the bottom and press until it snaps into place. Insert the lower drawer at an angle, making sure that it sits beneath the support glide rails. Then, pull the drawer forward so that the tabs align with the retainers on the slide rails. Make sure that the front of the basket is beneath the lip. To install the upper drawer, align the rear guide wheels on the drawer to the top of the support glide rail in the freezer compartment. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.